So, Picoin has finally landed on OKX after 3,000 years of waiting. But I'm making this video not to congratulate the peers. I just want to provide an objective perspective on a digital currency, a coin, a scam, a monument, a challenger, a king, a savior, a genius yet to be recognized, a rough diamond, a dream, a dragon, a joke, an illusion,
a hope for
life-changing, a curse no one can break, a lottery ticket that still hasn't had its draw date. Some believe it is the next Bitcoin, while others say it's just a disguised pyramid scheme. Who is behind Pi? How did it manage to build a community of tens of millions of members? Is it really worth the hype? Will it take generations of humanity to the moon? When talking about Pi Network, we must mention Nicholas Kokolis, a well-known figure in the crypto, a true blockchain expert. Earning a PhD in computer science from Stanford is no small feat. His name practically screams success, and experience, nothing short of formidable. So when Nicholas Kokolis founded Pi Network, it was like Moses raising his staff to the sky and promising some kind of future. And so millions eagerly grabbed their phones, tapping the Pi mining button day after day, enduring the KYC desert, crossing the Mainnet Red Sea, and patiently awaiting the manna of exchange listing. The name Nicholas carries serious weight. A brilliant mind, a tech expert, a visionary founder. Sounds perfect, doesn't it? But wait. Sam Bankman-Fried was also a financial genius, an MIT graduate, a prodigy, and in the end, the ultimate fate is to go to the jail. So, will Pi Network follow the same doomed path? Oh, not at all. Simply because Pi doesn't take investors' money. No fundraising, no ICO, no promised returns, just millions of people willingly participating. Unlike Sam, Nicholas isn't burning cash or throwing lavish parties in the Bahamas. Really? Does that mean Pi is safer? Can I invest right now? Alongside Dr. Nicholas Kokolis, Pi Network has another key figure, Chengdiao Fan, another Stanford PhD but not in blockchain. Her expertise lies in social sciences. Sounds strange? What does crypto have to do with social sciences? Well, plenty. Blockchain isn't just about technology, it's about human behavior, about how a decentralized system operates. Chengdiao Fan plays a key role in designing and sustaining a community of millions, even when they haven't spent a single cent to join. For Bitcoin, owning it isn't easy. You need a powerful computer system, massive electricity consumption, and expensive ASIC mining rigs. Bitcoin is no longer for everyone. But Pi Network has a completely different approach. Anyone can mine Pi right on their phone. Just open the app, tap a button once a day. That's it. Sounds like a joke. But this very model has attracted tens of millions of users. After all, who wouldn't want to try when everything is free? Pi makes it easy for everyone to own cryptocurrency. Pi is building a decentralized economy. Pi is the global currency. This is the dream Bitcoin once promised, but Pi has chosen a more accessible path. In 2019, the Pi Network mobile app was officially launched, allowing users to register an account and mine Pi with just a few simple steps. In 2020, just 1 year later, the community surpassed 10 million members, an impressive feat, despite not being listed on any exchange. In 2021, Pi Network announced the launch of its enclosed mainnet, meaning the blockchain was running, but transactions weren't enabled yet. The founders said it, so let's just go with it. By early 2024, the open mainnet still hadn't launched, and then, just a few days ago, OKX suddenly announced it would list Pi, sending shockwaves through the entire crypto community. As of now, Pi Network's technology remains a big mystery. Although the founders claim that Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, the evidence remains unclear. SCP has always been top tier, fast transactions, low fees, and eco-friendly. So will Pi reach the same heights? However, Pi Network has been around since 2019, 6 years and counting, yet there's still no clear evidence that its blockchain operates independently. Is this just a stalling tactic? Or is the team genuinely building a groundbreaking platform? One of the things that makes Pi Network both stand out and spark controversy is its unique mining method. While Bitcoin requires powerful mining rigs to solve complex algorithms, with Pi, all you need to do is open the app and tap a button once a day. Sounds like Alice in Wonderland. This simplicity has attracted millions of users because, let's be honest, who doesn't love free? But it also raises a big question. If Pi doesn't require computational power, then what exactly are we mining? With Bitcoin or Ethereum, every time you mine a block, you're helping validate transactions and maintain the network. But with Pi, tapping a button each day is merely marking your presence. It doesn't actually contribute to security or transaction validation. Does Pi Network truly use blockchain? Or is it just a centralized database controlled by a select group? If it's centralized, then in theory, the development team could alter anyone's balance at will. It doesn't stop there. Pi's mining mechanism is quite unique. Your mining speed doesn't depend on computational power, but on the number of people you invite. In other words, the more people you refer, the faster you mine. This has led many to compare it to a multi-level marketing model. If you don't invite anyone, your mining speed will be significantly slower than those with hundreds or even thousands of referrals. If one day Pi gains real value, will this disparity create an unfair system? Another crucial factor to consider is the decentralization of Pi network. No one knows who is running the nodes. How many nodes are operating? Is this blockchain truly transparent? If the entire system remains under the control of the development team, then Pi network could very well be just a centralized database, no different from a digital bank run by a small group of people. The smart contract system is nowhere to be seen. As a result, not a single dApp has been deployed. Shouldn't this have been one of Nicholas' priorities from the start? No one knows exactly how much Pi has been mined or who holds the majority of it. If the development team or a small group of individuals controls most of the supply, they could easily manipulate the market once Pi gains real value, just like what has happened with many other coins before. After many years, Pi has always claimed to be building a strong ecosystem, and they have Pi Browser, similar to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Sounds great, right? Guess MetaMask is about to retire. But hold on, Pi Browser is currently just a web browser, mainly used to access Pi-related services without any truly groundbreaking features. After all, Pi's mainnet doesn't even have smart contracts yet. And what about Pi Wallet? In theory, it's supposed to be a secure place for users to store and trade Pi. But in reality, Pi Wallet only allows internal transactions within the system. You can send Pi to others, but you can't withdraw it to the open market. You might own thousands of Pi, but if you can't convert it into real assets, then it's all just numbers on a screen. Right now, all transactions using Pi rely solely on the trust of the community, with no backing from financial institutions or major corporations. In other words, Pi has yet to convince major partners to place their trust in it. Ethereum has Uniswap, Aave, Binance Smart Chain has PancakeSwap, but Pi Network, it has no major DeFi applications at all. Is Pi's technology still incomplete? Or is its blockchain too tightly controlled, discouraging developers from joining? Moreover, staking and farming, key mechanisms that enhance an ecosystem's value, are completely absent from Pi. So, is Pi Network's ecosystem a real economy, or just an unfinished dream? Pi's price history is one of the most controversial topics in the crypto community. After 5 years, Pi still hasn't been officially listed on any major exchange. It can only be traded on the black market, with prices ranging from a few dollars to hundreds. On February 20th, Pi officially appeared on major exchanges like OKX, MEXC, and BitGet. For those who have been mining Pi for years without knowing if it would ever hold value, this is nothing short of a historic milestone. Like any newly listed coin, Pi experienced extreme volatility as traders rushed to buy and sell. Trading volume hit $150 million and its market cap soared to $10 billion, a remarkable figure for a freshly listed cryptocurrency. The listing on major exchanges proved that Pi can be converted into cash. This solidifies Pi as a potential project and a noteworthy coin in the market. The biggest beneficiaries are the peaky miners, who have persevered for 6 years. They didn't just invest time, but also placed their trust in Pi from the very beginning, and now their efforts are paying off. This is a clear testament to patience and long-term vision in the crypto world. Even after being listed, Pi still faces challenges: extreme price volatility, unstable liquidity, and the need to sustain community trust. The project has also announced plans to launch its public mainnet on June 20th, 2025, paving the way for Pi to become a true cryptocurrency, usable within a broader ecosystem. If you're wondering whether to buy, hold, or sell Pi, it's not an easy decision. So, what's the right price? Under $5 might be a reasonable entry point for small investments, but the risks remain high. $10 to $20. Consider whether any real businesses are actually accepting Pi as payment. Above $20, extremely risky if the ecosystem isn't fully functional yet. If Pi cannot be freely traded or used in real-world transactions, then no matter the price, it's just a number on a screen. Are you planning to buy Pi? If so, what price do you think is reasonable? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for watching till the end. This video is compiled from various sources, so if there are any mistakes or corrections needed, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.